Hey everybody, it's Naima from Beachbum Wisdom Studio, and today I'll be doing a pumpkin yam enzyme peel on my client with combination skin, inviting in calm and relaxation and to reveal a radiant, youthful glow. I'll be starting off this facial and the first cleanse with the Dermalogica Precleanse, which is a plant-based cleansing oil that's lightweight and formulated with a blend of nourishing olive and kukui oils to purify pores and deep clean residual products that build up on the skin throughout the day. For her second cleanse, I'm using Image Skincare's Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser, which is a mild gel cleanser that gently foams away impurities, leaving the skin soft, hydrated, and clean. It's infused with a nourishing complex of organic aloe vera and botanical extracts, and it also contains turmeric root extract to restore and enhance the skin's natural radiance. For her exfoliant, I'm going to use the ILUMA Intense Brightening Exfoliating Powder, which is one of my favorites. And it's a water-activated micro-exfoliating powder that'll help with a brighter, more even tone complexion. It gently polishes and buffs away dead skin cell buildup, and it's brightening and illuminating the skin. This exfoliation is also going to be preparing her skin for all of the other products that I'll be using in this facial treatment. After doing a skin analysis under the lamp and the magnifier, I'm going to unclog a little congestion in her nose area. I'll also be using an ultrasonic facial spatula in extract mode to deep cleanse the pores in her chin area by removing dirt, oil, and a buildup of blackheads. I'm using Dermalogica Massage Cream, which is an oil-based massage cream that's lightweight and provides a nice glide. I chose to mix the massage cream with a few drops of lavender essential oil, which is relaxing but also amazing for the skin. It's going to soothe her skin, and it also provides powerful anti-inflammatory and calming properties. For her mask and the foundation of this treatment, I'm going to be using Eminence Organics Yam and Pumpkin Enzyme Peel, which nourishes and refines to reveal a youthful, radiant glow. It's formulated with lactic acid, and this facial peel is gently going to remove dulling dead skin cells and impurities. And the pineapple that's in this peel is going to purify, clean, and refresh the skin. It contains yam and pumpkin pulp purees, and that is going to enrich the skin with vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants. It'll improve texture and tone. And it also contains phytocollagen, which is going to hydrate and plump and combat visible signs of aging for a rejuvenated look. The key ingredients in this treatment are yam, which is high in beta carotene and vitamins, pumpkin pulp puree, which is rich in enzymes, beta carotene, amino acids, and antioxidants, pineapple, which is going to purify the skin by removing dirt and proteins, papaya, which also contains vitamins and enzymes, glycolic acid, which is soothing and a smoothing agent for the skin, lactic acid, which slows off dead skin cells and improves the texture of the skin, willow bark extract, which will minimize the appearance of pores. It also contains botanical hyaluronic acid and green tea extract. Now I'll be using Eminence Organic Skincare Soothing Chamomile Tonique, which is going to calm and tone her skin with an organic blend of botanical extracts that protects her cells from damage. This toner is a beautiful rejuvenating complement after the enzyme peel. Around her eye area, I'll be applying Vital C Hydrating Eye Recovery Gel. This is a light cooling eye gel that's supercharged with nourishing antioxidants and peptides that's going to help reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles around the eyes. It's perfect for tired eyes, and it'll work to brighten, hydrate, and refresh the eye area while delivering the nourishing benefits of vitamin C. I'll also be applying Vital C Hydrating Anti-Aging Serum, which is for all skin types. It's a high-potency serum that softens the appearance of wrinkles, supports skin elasticity, and fights environmental damage. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which is going to help to lock in hydration and support the look of plump, bouncy skin. It contains multiple forms of vitamin C to help brighten the skin and to fight visible signs of dullness and fatigue. And to top it off, I'll be using the Vital C Hydrating Intense Moisturizer, which contains all of the beautiful benefits of vitamin C for the skin. Of course, I'm using Black Girl Sunscreen. Would never send my clients off in the daytime without sunscreen. And Black Girl Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 is perfect for women of color. It's infused with natural ingredients, and it's going to help prevent against sun damage, premature aging, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and dark spot. And best of all, it doesn't leave the white cast. Lastly, I'll be applying some Ormedic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex to nourish her lips. And just look at her skin glow. I'm so happy with the results of this treatment, and she'll be coming back in about 4 weeks to continue in her series of treatments.